Hey everybody, it is another beautiful day. Today is Saturday. It is a wonderful day to be out here, enjoying the day, spending time with your family, and of course, abiding by the laws while we're going through this pandemic. But I wanted to get on here again today and do another video. I am so excited. I just came out of one of my local beauty supply stores. I won't disclose the name. And I was just talking to the guy about looking for a particular product. And in the midst of me talking to him about the product he was helping me look for, I decided to ask him how did he feel about collaborating with me on possibly helping them market some of their products, and as well as marketing my app that that's in the app store, Clever Cabinets LLC. And so when I immediately went through my app tutorial to show him how it works and everything, and how he can download it on Google Play, he was like, I'm down for it. He was like, just let me know when you're ready. Let me know how can we utilize it. And he was like, yeah, we can definitely do it. He was like, we can help each other. So all it took was me just coming up with a suggestion and pitching it to one of the owners here in this particular beauty supply store. And it's all about presence and how you present something. You have to be confident and enthusiastic in what you're talking about and what it is you're trying to present, whatever it is, in order for people to take you serious. And in the midst of me explaining to him about my app, how it works, and how I felt he could implement it in his business, his other workers, they were also standing in the wayside watching, as well as other customers. So I had the attention of everybody that was in there at the time, about maybe 5 minutes ago, and I can tell that people were really interested. So all it takes is, that one step, get you some motivation, get a little bit of courage, just go out there. All people can say or tell you is yes or no. It's up to you how you handle those yeses and those no's. For me, when I get in a certain mindset or mood, and I get motivated, and if you tell me no, that's just motivation for me to keep going till I get that one yes. Because a lot of times that's all it takes is one yes compared to 50 or 100 no's, because you're not going to always get the answer you want in the very beginning. So by me taking that, that 1 foot forward, just taking the initiative, he was like, yeah, we can definitely collaborate and do something. He said, just let me know when you're ready. And, I mentioned to him about a couple other things that I'm working on. And in the middle of me actually showing him on my device how the app works, he immediately went on his device and pulled it up, and he was like, I got it right here. And he was like, he said, yeah, I can definitely download it. We can collaborate and do something. So once I work out some other things, just, possibly look out for something like that coming, later on. I will try to update y'all as I get updates and features with everything as much as I can to keep you all up to date, because I feel like my target audience or the people that are supporting me, you need to be updated with what's going on and any changes. So if it's something you want to continue supporting, you have that option. So I just wanted to tell anybody, if you're hesitant about something that you're working on, whatever it is you're passionate about, just take that one step. Make the initiative. Nothing's going to fall in your lap. Nothing's going to happen overnight. You got to put forth the work. You got to be persistent. You got to be diligent about it. I'm learning this myself every single day. And if you need some help, go to somebody that you trust or that you can, rely on, and ask them for tips or some suggestions that you know and you feel would honestly not tell you what you want to hear, but tell you what you need to hear. So I just wanted to let y'all know that I'm excited, just to hear somebody say, yeah, we can collaborate. Again, that's helping one business. In turn, that business can help you, and you never know what other benefits can come from that, So that's what my mindset is about. That's what I'm encouraging everybody else that's trying to, if you want to have your own business, if you want that experience, owning a business is not easy. It's you're gonna have some trial and error. I'm learning that as we speak. But you're also going to have some successes. So not everything is going to be a failure, but it also depends on the routes you take, who you listen to, your resources. Try to stay around people that is going to honestly try to help you lead in the right direction, or point you in the right direction, connect you to the right resources that will continue to help you go up and not down. So and try to stay around people that are positive and somebody that has a similar mindset. Because if you're always around people that's always saying, well, I don't think it's gonna work, it's not gonna do that. No, not every single thing will always work. But you don't want somebody to be a Debbie Downer either, and always saying, well, what if, you know. Risks are a part of life, you know, but use your better judgment and try your best to make wise and sound decisions. Don't make hasty decisions either. That's why you want to, you know, try to be around people that are, you know, have a little bit more experience in a particular area, whatever it is you're working on. You don't want to just jump out and you haven't done the research, so to speak, if that makes any sense to you. So that's what I'm learning every single day. No, I do not know everything, but I am open to listen. I'm willing to listen. That's another thing. You have to be willing to listen to suggestions and help, because if you start out thinking you know everything, you know, it's going to be hard for you to get help, because nobody wants to help, or, you know, really wants to support or nobody really wants to support a know-it-all, so to speak, you know, because we learn every day that we live. You learn something new. So if you work on keeping a humble mindset, a humble attitude, be willing and open to listen, you'll go a very, very, very long way just with that little bit of knowledge. And like I said, I'm learning that every day. I appreciate everything that my parents taught me, and my sister, my brothers, and we try to, you know, keep a lot of the ways how we were raised. We try to keep those standards. We try to keep them before us, and that has helped us tremendously. And I'll always be forever grateful to my parents for how they raised us, always. But yeah, just, you know, take the initiative, ask for help. Don't be scared to ask for help. There's an old saying that goes, closed mouths don't get fed. That is very, very true. If you keep your mouth shut, you won't get nowhere. So I just wanted to give y'all that little piece of advice, give you that update that I'm excited about. Got a possible collaboration with another established business. So if everything, you know, works out, then you'll be notified and updated on that in time when it's time for it. But just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope y'all have a good day. Enjoy this beautiful day. Continue to keep in mind the social distancing. I'm trying my best to keep that in mind myself. Enjoy your weekend, and just have a good day.